Select Ray from Cluster Deployment. Choose the General option. Select IO.NET. Select E2E. Currently, this is the only option available. Select all locations. Select low speed. Select the more affordable GPUs, such as the RTX 3050 or 3060, to minimize rental costs. Select the Ray app. Currently, this is the only option available. In master configuration, select IO Master Starter. Currently, this is the only option available. Select the payment method. This time, we are choosing USDC. Since we're only using the A4000 in the master node this time, the cheaper the better. Let's find an available low-cost GPU. Check the costs and other details in the summary, and if everything looks fine, click Deploy Cluster. Wait a few minutes until the deployment is complete. Once it says complete, you're ready to go. Please click View Cluster. When you transition to the cluster screen, you'll see the ID password. First, copy it. Then, open both the Jupyter Notebook and Ray dashboard below, and log into each. When you open the Jupyter Notebook, you'll be prompted for a password. Paste the ID password you copied earlier. You will then transition to a screen that looks like the following. Similarly, open the Ray dashboard. For both the username and password, enter the same ID password. You can view cluster statistics on the Ray dashboard. Starting the WebUI now, let's return to the Jupyter Notebook and start executing the process. Please download the following file in IPN format. Please upload the previously downloaded stable_diffusion_io_demo.ipn via the Upload button in Jupyter Notebook. Once the file is uploaded, the file name will appear. Please double-click it to open. At this point, you'll see cells and code lined up. Basically, by executing the code from top to bottom, the WebUI will start. To run a cell, click it to highlight in blue, then press Shift+Enter. If a process is running, you'll see, in the left bracket, and once completed, a number like 1 will appear. Continue to the next cell after that. The steps include installing Python, the stable Diffusion WebUI, and models. Model installation can be expanded as needed. As you proceed through the steps, it should look like the following. In the final cell, the process will remain in the state. If everything is working correctly, you'll see a message saying running on public URL. Once you see that, click on the provided URL. Generating images with Stable Diffusion. When you click the link, the WebUI will launch, and you can generate images from this screen. Enter cat into the prompt field, and this will generate an image of a cat. When you return to Jupyter Notebook, you'll see the processing logs. Check the log for details. It shows something like 2.78/s, which indicates the number of images generated per second. The higher the number, the stronger the GPU. This time, it reflects the performance of the A4000.